let's discuss some useful sentence for OET speaking scenario. 1. Rheumatoid arthritis. These medications are very effective to slow the progress of the disease, control your symptoms, and reduce pain. They have been used in clinical practice for many years. There are no unpleasant side effects, so you don't worry about this medication. Apart from oral tablets, there are other forms of medications, such as gel and cream. They are used on the topical areas where they are needed. They are not dependent on circulation through bloodstream, so they are safe to be used during your breastfeeding. Now the important problem is that you are in so much pain. I will let your doctor know. He will probably review you soon. Meanwhile, I will get you a hot pack. The warm compress will be helpful for you to relieve pain. 2. Sleep disturbances. With regard to your sleeping problems, we have some other type treatments which may be effective as medications. We will arrange a warm bath and then offer you a glass of warm milk for you before you go to bed tonight. We will see if they work. 3. Urinary tract infection. No worries. Urinary tract infection is a common complication after a surgery, and your situation is not serious. You begin to take antibiotics and they will control the infection well. You need to take the medication for a course, about 7 days. So you will stay in hospital for the next 7 days, then we will test your urine again. If the result is negative, you will be able to go home.